Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Welcome to our channel In the Kitchen with Adnan and Alia. I'm Adnan
I'm Alia.
and this channel is all about showing you guys traditional recipes that we cook at home, nothing like the ones that you'd get in an Indian restaurant for example, and giving you the hints and tips that would make the whole process a bit easier and less of a chore. So hopefully that will encourage you to get involved and to cook these recipes at home, and then comment and tell us what you think. Also comment about any recipes that you want us to cook, and please share, like, subscribe, tell all your friends, and yeah, let us know what you think. Any feedback is welcome. Hi guys, welcome to our first recipe, chicken jalfrezi. If you want us to cook any specific dishes, please comment down below. We will be reading every comment to see what you guys think and how we can improve. So let's get started. I'll take you through all the ingredients and how much we need. You can also find the ingredients in the description, video description below. It'll list to you exactly what you want, so you don't need to note down as I go. So first of all, we've got 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 heaped teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 heaped teaspoon of turmeric powder. As far as the chilies are concerned, add as per your taste. If you want it spicier, add more. If you want it less spicy, add less. 2 teaspoons of salt. Again, like the chilies, if you want a bit more salt, add more. If you want less salt, add less. 3 medium-sized tomatoes cut into cubes. 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, half a cup of oil, 2 medium-sized onions cut into julienne, 3 green chilies finely diced, 2 to 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds crushed, 1 tablespoon of garam masala. If you want to see how we make our garam masala, comment down below and we'll show you a step-by-step video, or we'll put up a step-by-step video to show you exactly how we make it, what spices go into it, so you can have that real authentic flavor at home. We have a small bunch of coriander finely cut, or we have a small bunch of coriander just for garnishing at the end. 1 green bell pepper cut into cubes, 1 yellow bell pepper cut into cubes, and 1 onion cut into cubes, and 1 kilo of chicken breast. We're using chicken breast, but if you prefer chicken thighs, then by all means go for it and use those. And finally, 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Right, let's get started. So first you want to add your oil into your pan and bring it up to the heat. After that, you're going to add in your onions and fry the onions until they're golden brown. Now that the onions are going golden brown, we're going to add in the ginger garlic paste. And how long do we cook this for, Alia?
2 minutes.
So we're going to cook this for 2 minutes. Okay, so next we're going to be adding the tomatoes. And then we're going to cook this down until it makes a gravy, Alia.
No, spices.
And all the spices right now. See, like I said, she's the real chef. I'm just very enthusiastic. And the salt.
Yes.
So right now you're making the gravy, and then you're going to
Yes.
put the chicken into the gravy.
Yes.
Okay. So I notice you're cooking this on a high heat, but that's because you're confident and you know what you're doing.
Yes.
So if someone's starting new, would it be okay if they don't want to go quite so quickly, if they turn the heat down a bit?
Yes.
And then just go a bit slowly? Okay, so like she said, if you're new, if you're not sure, you can just turn the heat down a bit. She's got it on full, but she has been doing this for many years. Okay. Okay, so the garam masala and the coriander seeds. We just need a small amount of water to make the masala.
That's right.
So probably about what, 50 mils, Alia? If that?
Yeah, probably.
We just want a nice loose masala.
Tomato.
Tomato puree next?
Yeah.
Okay.
Looks nice.
So we've cooked everything down. As you can see, the tomatoes and the onions and everything have disintegrated.
And now add it chicken.
Now add all the chicken. Okay.
Yes.
When are we adding the chilies, Alia? So that's 1 kilo of
And
chicken
chili.
breast and chilies. Okay, I'll get that added. Green chilies are per your taste as well. If you want it spicier, then add more chilies, and if you want it less spicy, then add less. So now you're just frying this on high heat.
Yes.
For how long are you going to be frying this for?
8 to 10 minutes.
8 to 10 minutes, okay. Okay, so you've mixed the chicken in with the masala, you've let it cook for a minute or so, and now we're going to add the yogurt?
Yes.
So I'm just adding the yogurt in now. And what are we doing next, Alia? What's the next step after the yogurt has gone in?
Mix well.
And then are you going to lid this up and leave it?
Yes.
And how long are you going to be leaving it for once it's lidded up?
15 minutes.
15 minutes. And what about the temperature? Do we need to reduce
Low
it?
temperature.
Okay, temperature to absolutely the lowest mark.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so now that the yogurt's mixed in, we're gonna put the lid on, like Alia said, and leave it on low heat. Now at this stage, the chicken will release water. That's perfectly normal. We're just gonna put the lid on, low temperature, and leave it to cook in its own juices for about 15 minutes. Right, it's been 10 minutes, and this is what it looks like after 10 minutes. It's still got some water in, so what are we going to do, Alia?
5 minutes more.
5 minutes more, okay. So Alia's saying we're going to cook it for another 5 minutes. She's just stirring it to give it a good mix round. Oh, smells delicious. When we have smell-o-vision, you'll be able to smell this at home. So we're just going to cover and leave for another 5 minutes.
After 15 minutes, ये ऐसे लग रहा है.
So this is what it looks like after 15 minutes. As you can see, a lot of the liquid is dried.
Yeah.
So we're gonna keep cooking it with the lid off now. She's got it on a high temperature until the excess liquid is dry, Alia.
Yes. अब थोड़ा सा इसको भूनेंगे और इसके बाद मैं इसमें वो क्यूब्स की हुई प्याज और शिमला मिर्च डालूंगी.
So Alia is saying that she's gonna cook it down. And then once the liquid is dry, she's gonna add in the cubed peppers and onions. And how do we know when it's cooked, Alia?
जब पानी इसमें से dry हो जाएगा.
Okay. And doesn't the oil separate?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So once the oil separates from the gravy, then you know it's cooked. That's the sign that the chicken is now fully cooked, and we're starting to get there, but we're just going to keep going until all the excess liquid is dry. So she's just describing what I said in English in Urdu too, so that anyone who doesn't speak English, if they speak Urdu or Hindi, they can understand as well. It smells amazing. For the chicken.
मैं इसमें ऐड कर रही हूँ green pepper, yellow pepper, and finely chopped onion.
So she's just saying she's adding the 2 kinds of peppers and the onions. And now you're just gonna fry this for a bit?
Yes.
How long?
5 minutes.
5 minutes, okay. And do you want, you still want a crunch in
जब ये थोड़ा सा कुक हो जाएगी vegetable तो.
Okay, so she's saying once the vegetables have cooked a little, that will be the point at which we stop. But we still want them a little. We want them cooked, but we don't want them completely cremated. We want somewhat of a crunch.
Yes.
Okay. So now you can see a lot of the oil at this point has separated off. So now really all we're doing is cooking the peppers and the onions, because the meat is completely cooked, isn't it, Alia?
Yes.
It's quite a simple recipe. So, you know, we've shown you all the steps, we've guided you through. Please give this a go, try it yourself, cook it at home, and let us know what you think.
इसमें से oil separate हो रहा है.
She's just pointing out that the oil has separated from the gravy now. So yeah, like I was saying, please subscribe and share this video with others, and cook the recipes yourself and let us know how it goes.
With roti or chawal.
Yeah, so you could eat this with the chapatis or rotis, as my wife's calling them, or also
boiled rice, yes.
Boiled rice, yeah. And guys, if you subscribe, please also hit the bell icon, because we're aiming to bring you a recipe a week, inshallah. And if you hit the bell icon, then you'll know when the new recipes have been uploaded, so you don't miss anything. And next week we're gonna be cooking, or we're hoping to cook chicken and okra, Alia, or chicken, bindi chicken.
Yes, bindi chicken.
Bindi chicken. So chicken and okra next week. If there's anything else, any other recipe that you guys really want to see, please comment down below. Me and my wife are going to be reading all the comments, and anything that you guys want to see, we will aim to bring that to you as soon as we can. And if you want to see how we make rotis at home, if you're not sure, then let us know in the comment section down below, and we can show you that. They're really simple and easy to make, and rotis with this, it just really completes the meal, doesn't it, Alia? Yeah. Because that's what we have at home, and it'll give you the real authentic flavor. So if you want to see how to make roti, then comment down below and we'll bring you and we'll show you exactly step by step.
roti banana सिखाऊंगी.
Right, so we're almost there now.
Vegetable and onion अच्छी तरह से cook हो गया.
Okay, so my wife's just saying that the onions and the vegetables are now nicely cooked. Guys, also some people like to add boiled eggs to this. If you want to do that, if we're not going to be adding boiled eggs, but if you want to add them, boil your eggs, slice them, and right at the end, once the dish is complete, just add your boiled eggs to the top. But like I said, we're not going to be doing that here. We're just making an old school jalfrezi.
अब ये अच्छी तरह से cook हो गया. अब इसमें ये मैं coriander leaf add कर रही हूँ.
So she's saying now that it's cooked, she's just adding in the coriander leaves. She's just saying, commenting on how beautiful it looks. So it's all cooked. The bell peppers and the onions that we added at the end should still have a crunch. Chicken is going to be beautifully cooked. You can have this, like I said earlier, with chapatis or boiled rice. Try it, give the recipe a go, and let us know how it goes. Guys, please comment down below, let us know what you think, let us know how you think we can improve, because this is our first video and we are in no way professionals. So just let us know how you think we can improve, what recipes you want to see, and give us a thumbs up, subscribe,
like, share, subscribe,
and hit the bell icon. Thank you, see you next week.